Hello student, today we will do numerical of chapter 5 which is electric resistance and Ohm's law. I have explained you all the theoretical material of this chapter. If you have any problem then you can ask. So today we will start from numerical of chapter 5. Question number 1. A current of 20 microampere flows in a wire. Current is the value of current is 20 microampere. First convert it ampere. Micron is multiplier of 10 to the power minus 6. So this is the value of current. Wire for 30 seconds. Time is equal to 30 seconds. Find the amount of charge and the number of free electron transferred through wire. So we have to find the value of charge and number of electron. So we know Q is equal to IT. So I is equal to 2 in 20 into 10 to the power minus 6 and T is 30. So it is minus 4 coulomb. Now number of charge, we will use this formula Q is equal to Ne to calculate the number of charge particle or number of electron, free electron. N is equal to Q over E. Q is 6 into 10 to the power minus 4 and T is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. This is number of free electron. Now we will do question number 3. Question number 2 you will do yourself in your homework. Question number 3, the cross section area of a wire is this. Cross section area A is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter square. And the density of free electron density is small n is 2 into 10 to the power 28 cubic meter per cubic meter. What will be the drift velocity? We have to find Vd for a current of 3.2 ampere in the wire. The value of current is 3.2 ampere. So we know I is equal to NEA Vd. So Vd is equal to I upon NEA. I is 3.2 upon N is 2 into 10 to the power 28. E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 and A is minus 7. So this is 1 upon 10 to the power 2 or 10 to the power minus 2 meter per second. This is the value of drift velocity. Now question number 4, 5 you will do. I will do question number 6. Calculate the electric current density. We have to find current density. What is it? J. In uniform wire connected to a battery of EMF, V is equal to 3.5 volt and negligible internal resistance. The resistance of wire is R is equal to 2 ohm and area of cross section A is equal to 0.7 10 to the power minus 6, 0.70 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. So we have to find the current density. Current density is J is equal to I over A. But in this numerical, the value of I is not given, but we have V and R, and we know I is equal to V over R into A. So V is 3.5 upon R is 2 into so this is 10 by 4 into 10 to the power 6, 2.5 10 to the power 6 ampere per meter square. Now question number 8, question number 7 you will do. Question number 8 is find out the resistivity of conductor. We have to find resistivity rho in which current density J is equal to 2.5 ampere per meter square and E is equal to 15 volt per meter. So rho is equal to E over J. We have a relation rho is equal to E over J and value of E is 15 and J is 2.5. This is 6 ohm meter. Now question number 10. What length of a wire of diameter? We have diameter of wire like radius is R, so diameter is equal to 2R, 0.46 millimeter, or R is equal to 0.23, 10 to the power minus 3 meter. And specific resistance or resistivity, it is also called resistivity, rho is 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm centimeter, converted in ohm meter, 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Will be required to prepare a coil of 10 ohm. We have to prepare a coil of 10 ohm. We have to find L. So we have formula rho is equal to RA over L. So L is equal to RA over rho. RA is cross section area of wire, which is pi r square upon rho. Now you can put the value of all these parameters and calculate this. Now question number 11. The specific resistance of nichrome rho is 100 micro ohm per centimeter. So converted ohm meter 100 into 10 to the power minus 6 for removal of mu and into 10 to the power minus 2 ohm meter. Resistance of nichrome wire of 5 meter length. We have to find resistance of nichrome wire 5 meter in length, and area of cross section is equal to 0.01 centimeter square, which is 0.01 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. We have to find R. So R is equal to rho L over A. So rho is 110 to the power minus 8, L is 5 and A is 10 to the power minus 6. So it is 5 into, this is 5 ohm. So this is resistance of 5 ohm. Now question number 12 you will do yourself. Now we will do question number 13. Question number 13. A thick wire of 10 ohm resistance is drawn into a thin wire so that its length becomes 3 times. We have a wire initially of resistance 10 ohm. Let length is L and cross section area A1. Okay. Now we have drawn this thick wire into a thin wire of length 3 times. Length is 3 times. When length changes, the cross section area also changes. So we have to find the resistance of new wire. Both these wires are of same material, so the specific resistivity will be same for both. So R is equal to rho L over A, and for this is R2 is equal to rho L2 over A2. Now simple divide these two. So we have R1 over R2, and this is rho L2 upon A2. So we have a condition here, R1 over R2 is equal to L1 over L2, A2 over A1. In this question we have the relation between L1 and L2. L1 is L and L2 is 3L, but we don't have the relation between cross section area A1 and A2. So, but one thing you should be remember, then when you stretch a wire, the volume of this wire will be same. So we can use A1 L1 is equal to A2 L2. It means we can find a relation. We can find a relation between area and length. So in place of A2 over A1, we can put L1 over L2. So in place of A2 over A1, put here L1 over L2. L1 is 10. We have to find R2, and this is L1 over L1 square over L2 square. This is L square upon 9L square. So it becomes 1 over 9. Then R2 is equal to 10 into 9, 90 ohm. So it will be the resistance of new wire.